Hello friends, so this is a quick update to our last video. In that video we talked about 5 common food items that are harmful for us and healthier alternatives to replace them. So if you have not watched that video, that video's link is in this video's description as well, so you can watch it first. So in that video we talked about 5 harmful foods. Those were white sugar, refined oils, factory packed grain flours, fourth was free flowing table salt, and fifth was bread flour, white flour, also known as maida. So I would like to add one thing, that when you shift to better alternatives, then see, anything, even if it is healthy for you, if you eat it in an amount which is more than what is appropriate for you, then it may be harmful for you. So just keep in mind that when you are shifting to better alternatives, don't think that, oh, I am eating healthy so I can eat in any amount. No, you eat them in moderation, in right quantity as well. So that's it for now. We'll meet in next video with some other topic. Until then, goodbye.